Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off Messenger read receipts, hidden setting step by step clearly. First, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. Open the Facebook Messenger app from your home screen or app drawer. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner to open settings. Scroll down and look for the Privacy and Safety section. Tap Privacy and Safety to open the privacy controls. Find the option called Read Receipts in the list. If you do not see Read Receipts, update Messenger from the App Store or Google Play and then return here. Tap Read Receipts to open the toggle screen. Turn the Read Receipts switch off so it changes to the disabled position. Wait a second to ensure the setting saves and stays off. Go back to the main Messenger screen by tapping the back arrow. Open any conversation to confirm you can read messages without sending a seen status. Remember that when read receipts are off, you also may not see when others have read your messages. If you use multiple Facebook accounts in Messenger, repeat these steps for each account. On iPhone, also check that Messenger notifications are enabled so you still get message alerts. On Android, also check battery optimization settings if Messenger stops syncing in the background. If the Read Receipts option still does not appear, force close Messenger and reopen it. To force close on iPhone, swipe up to the app switcher and swipe Messenger away. To force close on Android, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, and tap Force Stop. Reopen Messenger and return to Settings by tapping your profile picture again. Go back to Privacy and Safety and check for Read Receipts one more time. If you use Messenger on desktop, open messenger.com and check settings for a similar option if available. Keep in mind that some business or marketplace chats may behave differently depending on account type. If you want to turn Read Receipts back on later, return to the same Read Receipts toggle. Test the setting by asking a friend to message you and opening the chat without replying. Avoid clearing app data unless necessary, because it can sign you out and remove downloads. For best results, keep Messenger updated so the hidden setting stays available and stable. Now you know exactly how to disable Messenger read receipts and browse messages more privately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.